Kani kadai ka Dudarshan Meghalaya ban ki pedang sngobhai phi baro shakani ka thup khubor jangi mentaga janmit. Shwaban phaish ki khubor ki babnya ngini pechwai ki mat bakongsan. Lipat babat bu maunong remu menteri rang badu Narendra Modi yaki projek ki basongdor palat yaka life ar hajar klur tingka hajamu dangdan kam sakumba nrupu pra akar kajaka na kabenta ban la penja yaka kat lingsun habaljek ong sembut menteri rang baga jela ubadai pet yaka tna transport ubak sneo bahalang dhar mangka sarkar lai spa lai pra klur tingka na kabenta ka tura smart town But new pukandai klotingka na kabenta ka Juwai Smart Town, Wao MLA ban kintup lang ya ka Nongstoy, hapo ka project Smart Town. Ya merjing mat hapo ka yen darbat hawain halor ka apot kinong rep wai ka jela, kularo menteri rang ba ban ajing rap kat bala. But persyang ka UNESCO ban penyap pensa ki sur kerpang, ban penklan community radio stations. Ki khubor ki babnya Menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ula pli pat ba bat bu mau nong remru ya ka project kam penroi ki ba shongdor palat ya ka life ar hajar klotingka hajamu menta kasngi kini ki project ki dei bat bontli ki liang kenthop ru ya ka kot ka khya ka puli ka dangli ki lintirel ki surok ba ki kam lingsun petroleum bat ki wei Hakani ka program Menteri rang badu ula samru ikisithi thungkam thungjam shakumba khatsan spa ngut kinong tre sarkar ki bathamai jong ka Jammu bat Kashmir ula yakran ru bat kinong yo jingman toy jong ki scheme ba pher kumshi benta na ka program Viksit Bharat Viksit Jammu Menteri rang badu ula ajing kran ru ha ka jingalang pat ba ka bade ka dak kashin jong ka jing sedang yalap election ka seng BJP na ka benta ki election Lok Sabha ha Jammu bat Kashmir Usimbut Menteri rang baga jela ubadi pet yakatna transport ubas neo balang dhar hakapor bula ay ka jubab halor ka jingkali belawan ra ada ka MLA ka ampati ka miani di shira hakani ka dorbar mang tingka ka bamenta uloong badang don kam sakumba nrubu pra akar ka jaka khanang ba onla ban penyat kam yakakat lingsun baljek ula pentip ru baki kam ki jam ban yo jaka kilaya shakman Hadian bakilada ban yo jingtip na katnat Airport Authority of India ya menta kakat lingsun baljek ka don ye ka jaka ka bayar shispa arpau akar uba adhar ula pentip baladep ban mang lai klur tingka na kabenta ka baar ban shim jaka ula pentip ru ba menteri rang ba ka jalau konrat ke sangma ula tho buntlik shiti syakatnat AAI Henry ka basngusi pat kalong baka juba balayo pediang kalong ba don bakwa ban penyat de ki lingsun ki barit
delay quite some time. The main reason is that the total area that you are having now is not sufficient to operate 48 to 72 airflight. That is one of the reasons. The 68 acre now is under process of acquired, and only then after the acquirement of the additional land, then we will ask the airport authority to send the DPR for the infrastructure development. Only then we will be able to go for the further course of action. Not yet, because we have to acquire first the land, and then DPR for the infrastructure will be made. As of now, no money has been spent because we are still yet to acquire another 68 acre of land.
UMLA ka seng Congress ubana Nongstoy uba Gabriel walang uladawan Menteri rang ba ka jalau konrat ke sangma ban kentup lang no ya ka Nongstoy hapo ka project Smart Town kama shwa usangma ula pentip hapo ka dorbar baka sarkar Meghalaya kala dep mang lai spa lai pupra point iwesan ar klur tingka na ka benta ka tura Smart Town katba la dep ban mang pat nyepu khandai point pra klur tingka na ka benta ka sor juwai ukon rat la pentip ru baka sarkar ka thrang ban kentup lang ya barwa kinong ba jongki district hapo ka project Smart Town bari ka ni on sale halaka jongka benta watla kampat don kanu ka jing penkre
We would obviously desire to see that all the headquarters of the districts are taken up, but of course it will be done in a phase-wise manner. But immediately we don't have any immediate plans to take up any particular town as such. But definitely, sir, it's in our agenda at large to see that all our towns and especially the district headquarters come under this kind of a program.
Kayeng darbar tawan ke jala Meghalaya mentagasngi kelai emerging mut sanibha halor ka apot sepsngi kablawan hap shop halor kinong rep kwai jong kani ka jala UMLA ka seng UDP ubala kemen remboy ulakali la ka sarkar ka la ne em banyate barkilat kilenti penya yo bat bakan thau no ru da ka bor kershan la ne ka minimum support price naga bentau kwai Daka benrap baki nong rap kuai ha barok kawai ke jela kila pisaling asyik at day hadien baka dor jong kuai kala hiar palat ha bayanu jor bat ka mensyam snem ha ka jubab jong i menteri ketrat ka rap karyang i Dr. Mezel Amprin Lingdo ila kubur bakala don ka jingkiu ha ka jingpenmi u kuai ha ka jela Daka benrap halor kani ka jubab u menteri rang baka jela konrat ke sang mau laong baka sarkar India kala bu thup u kuai kum umar bakta e ka kot ka kya Henry u laong pat baka nong rim jong ka sarkar ka dei bu kuai u dei umar tenrai badaki hajar go kinong rep kishania ha u laong shu shu baka sarkar kan dang yai beteng ban kershani kinong rep ha ki babun kiliang
At this point of time, the farmer of arecanut all over the state, they are in distress. Distress in the sense that the price of arecanut per 100 numbers is half from what it is last year. So this caused a big loss to the farmer of the state. That means the income, do the production is more, but their income is less. So I earnestly request the government to see that to tie up with the marketing facilities, people so that the price of the arecanut will not come down that much.
UMLA ke nongkrem uba Arden mila basayomat mentagasngi ulawan ra ekamat ya keren halor ke jingdon kam ka bekerki banyada kerpang ya ke jinglong ka bekerpang jong Ocean Rai la kedong hapo ka jela Meghalaya la jutip uni Ocean Rai kum uwe ni gijat Ocean Rai uba bahatam ha ka perthei ya ubala rep tang hapo rilum jantia ha ka bala ong ba udon ya ka curcumin ka ba hadu khatar na ka shispa da ka batam lut ru ya baro ki bai pat gijat Ocean Rai banyada bat kentiu ya ke jinglong bekerpang jong u ka sarkar Meghalaya kala thaw ya mission la kadong kawa pelet jingmut haki babon kiliang kom hakaban pendan kam yaki kor kibor ban penbiang yaki yau khayi na kabanta kinong rep bat kiwei shu ru hakabaya dei baga jingpan ban yo yaka geographical indication las dang house nam araja kar khandai bat yakan yaka nam la yo ha unai wing ka arphu khandai tarek usnam araja arphulai ka jing yo yaka nam gi ka dei umau mer bakong san hakaban penne pensa yaka nong kanti baga jing ya yo jong Ocean Rai la kadong ha Meghalaya
really surprised me. Sir, they told me that the reason is because other people from other states have planted Lakadong turmeric by taking the rhizomes from here and sell the produce by using the name of Lakadong turmeric. So this has diluted the quality of Lakadong, of original Lakadong turmeric, and since their soils cannot yield the same quality of turmeric.
Kayeng darbar tawan ke jela mentagasngi kalai pleu jingmut halor ke jingkeno liat don bor da ke jela Assam persha iki brio ke besong basa hakapot bat ka Assam bat ka banjor ru ke jingpendan kam bat pensangi no shisendon iki kam thombor bat ban pentikna ru ke songsuk songsngan jong ki nong songsnong da ka bawan ra ikani ka phang hakmat ka darbar UMLA ka seng congress na mahati uba Charles Marngar ulapan pau ke jingle Bahe jengki pulit Assam bat ka jingkrong ka jena da ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council harol usinsar na kinong rep. Ula kedauru bawat hadien bon teli ki jingelang balalong hapedeng ki pulit khapot Assam bat Meghalaya ki pulit Assam kedang yat pahara hapok ki shtong ki thau ka jela Meghalaya ka belawan ra ka jingshong sir hakini ki than. Da ka bayishim benta hakani ka jinge mir jingmut ukledo ka seng VPP ubadeiru UMLA ka nongkrem uba Arden milam basayomot ula ong baki jing baki nong shong shnong khapot ki je kendu ki dei ki bala rim bat ka jinga keren ka dei kalenti ka babhatam ban pen bet yaki UMLA ka mauker wat uba renekten tongkhar bar UMLA ka sang UDP na mukayau uba nu jor ki sungo kila kerpat ka sarkar jala ban ai jinkrshan pisa shu yaki lanot ki bala syasiat hamukro
against the villages and forcefully stopped the developmental works from the state of Meghalaya and also the central schemes that the government of Meghalaya intend to implement for the welfare of the people in the area.
Hakapor jangka jinge thir balingkot UMLA ka not Shillong iba Adelbert nongrum ila penpau ya ka jing sngokia halor ka jing pentrei kam ya ka Jal Jeevan Mission haka jala hakaba iba Adelbert ila boru ki jing kli ka tnat ka bashim ya ka jingket kli hakaba ya dei ba ka rukom lum jing tip ba ka rukom khmi ya ki kendon ki ba ya dei ba ka web portal ila ong ba ka jing shisha ka ya pher na ke ei ka bla pen I haka online portal ka ba penpau ya ki long yeng long sem ki bla yo umkor henrei bun ni ki long yeng long sem kim shim la yo satya ya ka umkor.
This is not the first time that we all heard that this government declared such high coverage in JJM. I have been following the news, and even as recent as last week, the PHE minister has quoted similar percentage of achievement and term JJM implementation in the state as success story. Not to take away from what even the Honorable Chief Minister has proudly addressed to press and media since December and last year, that the state has surpassed the national average in providing tap water connection to households.
Ka UNESCO ka persang man penklan ya ka rukom bu thiar kerpang ya ki sur kerpang bat on kentiu ya ki community radio stations ya ka ne la bu hakmat ban kentiu ki tien ten rai ha ka leng ka perthei bat bala ithu ru ya ka kamram ka bakong san jong ki radio station ha ka bat kentiu ya ki jat tien bat ka jingyar ki kolshor ha ba kran ha ka capacity building workshop ka ba arsngi na ka benta ka akashwani bat ki community radio stations minne ka sngi Unong ai buat ke UNESCO na kabenta katnat communication but information ka pangshate ka doba Asia o Hezekiel Lami ulaong baka CRS kanlong ka jingede ka bapinya jan ha ka ban pinne pensa bat ban kentiu ki kitien tenrai hashwa ka ni o officer rangba ka Akashwani zonal office Guwahati o Asim Khasi ulaong bahaki ni ki hinyo pusan snembala let ka Akashwani ka thanshate lamingi kala pinne pensa kala ai jingeda kala pentmai biang ki kitien tenrai bat ki kolshor Lor ka jingkan tiu ki kitien shnong bar ka tho katar.
It's in the forefront. It's in the forefront because of its proximity. It's in the forefront because it's a radio for the people and by the people. It's a radio that gives access to the remotest part of the land and to the most disadvantaged member of our community. And therefore, community radio is a strategic partner in preserving and promoting indigenous languages.
From the beginning of Akashwani in Northeast, it's a history of 75 years. Akashwani in Northeast doing all the things, preserving, promoting, safeguarding and revitalizing not only Indian languages, not only indigenous languages, indigenous culture, everything which promoting cultural heritage, it's promoting dialects, it's promoting literature.
Ki sitting MDC jangka seng Congress kata iba bat scam renta thiang na mairang bat iba karnes so syang na makarwat constituency kila syak pedang buram ha ka National People's Party dau National President ka seng ukan rat ki sangma baru President ka ha ka jala iba Preston song ha office rekam jangka seng ha shillong hinin gasngi ringkat bat ki arngut ki sitting MDC UMDC barim na sora iba Donovan Karwan Langru ila syak pedang buram lang ha ka seng
to join and to be part of the family of the National People's Party. At the very outset, as the National President of the National People's Party, it is with great honor and a great sense of happiness that I would like to welcome each and every one of you to our family of the National People's Party. Welcome to the NPP.
Kajala Arunachal Pradesh but Mizoram kila rakhe gasngi yo jala bapura minta kasngi. Kumban chupan kan mau kajala Arunachal Pradesh but Mizoram kila yo jala pura hakani kasngi house nem khat khandai spa prapunyo. Ka President Kari ka Draupadi Murmu but Menteri Rang Baduk Kari Narendra Modi kila kublai syaki patba jong baru atli gejala hakat han chate lamingi. Haka jo kapor ka Murmu kila ro ya ka jing itnat jong kini gejala but ong ba ka jing shimkhya ya ka kam jong kai perthai kat kan tiu ya kini ki atli gejala. Umodi ulai ro ru ya ka riti kolshor ba ka jing no sinyang jongki ha ba kan tiu ya ka roi ka par ha India. Mentapan ngin pe ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba shalong. Ka jing shet ka long khat pra point lai degree Celsius ba ka jing kret ka long hanyo point sau degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka hau ka long hanyo bu khandai na ka chis pa min step bat san punyo na ka chis pa jan mit. Kala bandan ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala hakikat tu ka ni ka jaka. Kala ru bandan ka jing dum do hakikat tu ka ni ka jaka. Shwa ban pa shi thop ki bor ba kut ngin ni pet bang sai shi sian ni ki mat ba kong san. Pli pat ba bat bu mau nong rem Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi ki projek ki basong dor palat ya ka lai pu ar hajar klur tingka hajamu dangdan kam sakumba nrupu pra akar ka jaka na ka benta ban la penyat ya ka kat ling sun habal jek ong usembut Menteri Rang Ba ka jela ubadi pet ya ka transport ubas miau bahlang dhar Mangga Sarkar lai spa lai pu pra klur tingka na ka benta ka tura smart town But nyuk pendai keluar tingkah nak bentak ke Juwai Smart Town, kuah UMLA ban kentup lang ya ke Nongstone, hapok ke projek Smart Town. Ya merjing buat hapok ke ying darbat hawan halau ke apot ki nong rap kuai ke jela, kular Menteri Rang Ba ban ai jing rap kat bala. Bat persyang ke UNESCO, ban pennek pensa ke Silkerpang, ban penklan ke community radio station. Ti perlok katung ila poi chok bakut jong kathup kubor jong imenta ka janmiet hadu bangi dei syambyang bat phila shai kasngi kublei phi baro
आज हम एक नया जम्मू कश्मीर